This week's US CQM forecast alert is hard landing on the expenditure side versus soft landing on the income side. This week's we have updated only housing starts, which fell 11.3% in August, well below the ARIMA forecast of 0.25%. As a result, nominal housing investment was revised downward from 13.4% to 9.9% in 2023 Q3. On the expenditure side, the economic growth rate was revised down by 0.09% to 3.72% due to a downward revision of residential investment. On the income side, it was adjusted upward by 0.03% to 2.52% due to a downward revision of the GDP price deflator. The latent true economic growth rate for 2023 Q3 is around 3%. All inflation indicators are forming an upward trend, but the growth rate is still below 2.5%. The GDP price deflator was revised downward by 0.03%, contributing to an upward revision of the economic growth rate on the income side. There is no change in this week's PCA forecast because the PCA uses private residential construction spending rather than housing starts to construct its principal component. PCA forecast of economic growth rate has become close to CQM's average growth rate of both the expenditure and income sides. CQM forecast a hard landing on the expenditure side and a soft landing on the income side in 2023 Q4. Based on PCA simulation increasing 25 basis points since October, economic growth in 2023 Q4 will be lower by about 0.5%. Headline inflation concerns remain in 2023 Q4. In the end, energy prices are key. Conclusions from this week's US CQM forecast alert. First, the economic growth forecast for 2023 Q4 indicates the possibility of a hard landing on the expenditure side and a soft landing on the income side. Second, regarding inflation in 2023 Q4, inflation concerns remain with headline inflation through energy prices. The third, looking at the forecast of both real economy and inflation situation in 2023 Q4, the Fed's decision to have left the policy interest rate unchanged at the FOMC meeting on September 20th may have been appropriate. This slide contains additional information about this week's detailed CQM forecast and shows how to access the past US CQM forecast alerts.